Hello friends, in this video you will learn about table settings with CSS. This is the HTML file. In this HTML file, this is the table part. See, table is created with this HTML code. This is the table information on the web. See, the link of CSS file is there. See, link tables.css file is linked with this HTML. This is the tables.css file. This is the beginning to modify the table with this CSS. See, first create the borders to the table and header of the table and data of the table td table td. Create the border with this border property. Size 1 pixel, solid, and color is orange. See, the borders are created. The details are to create the padding to get the view of details clearly with this padding 10 pixel. See, now details are a little bit clear, but the borders are, if you want to remove these inner borders to create a perfect table with this one more property of the table property, that one is border collapse. To completely the list is look like the table is look like to make the perfect table with this border collapse. See, now table is created perfectly. See, the table is some part of the web page up to the data. How much of data is there? That much of table is occupied. If you want to make it occupy entire the page of the web with this width property, this is width one. Make it 100% to occupy the entire web page with this table. See, now table is occupied entire web page. Next comes to the modification to the header part td th header part of the table. It is defaultly in the middle. To move the horizontal way with this text align helps to move the values in the horizontal manner. Make it left. Already default it is center. Make it left. And if you want to increase the th height with this height property, height 75 pixel. See, the height is increased. And differentiate the data with this header with a color. Color white and background color green. See, this is the header properties are changed. Now comes to the data header of data part. See, table data part. To make the change look like good, give some height. Height 50 pixel. If you want to move the up to now, you know about horizontal moving. Now vertical align helps to move the horizontal manner. See, this data is defaultly middle, make it bottom. See, the data is moved to the bottom part. Then if you want to change the colors of this in better manner with this tr, row of the table tr. This is nth child. make it even. See, this is pointing the even ones, like this one and this one. This is the make it background color is light gray. This is the more light gray became like this. And if you're pointing this, if you want to change the color with this tr hover, this is background color light blue. When you're pointing the data, the color is changing to the light blue. And the last one is, see, when the data is moving, data is hiding. If you want to get any time this data entirely with this, see, this entire table is in between div element. Make it some style overflow auto. See, you are getting entire table part like this. And if you want one more change, this is the border bottom. See, the lines are removed, horizontal lines are removed, only bottom lines are appears like this. This is the our table modification with this CSS file. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching.